Okay, so today we are going to do a lesson on the Big Six. Our lesson purpose. So, of course, you know I am Mrs. Cope and I am your school library media specialist. So, today we are going to learn about the Big Six research model. We are going to look at ways to think about research. And then we are going to explore some ways that we can break down the process into smaller parts, kind of like a puzzle. So first, like any assignment, we want to look at the standards. So let's look at our objectives for today. So of course we have our Texas state standards, and that standard has to do with your inquiry and your research process. It's where you're generating topics and you're researching by identifying sources, and then you're piecing it all together. And then we have our Common Core standards. And this one is where you are doing short research projects that build your knowledge through the investigation of the certain topic, and then you're putting it all together. Then we have our ISTE standard, and that's your knowledge constructor. And what that means is that you're going to gather resources, and then you're going to create a project that represents your understanding. And then finally, we're going to look at the AASL standards. And with this one, this is having a need to gather information and then coming up with questions about a certain topic. So what is the Big Six? The Big Six is a 6-stage model that helps you in 2 ways. The first way is, how can I solve a problem using information? And then our other way it can help you is, how can I make decisions using that information? You're going to have a pre-assessment on blendspace.com. And what this will do is it's going to look at what you already know or think about in the research process. So in conclusion, the Big Six models represent or consist of 6 steps that help an individual with solving problems and making decisions using information. It will help you with the process of researching and get you to your final product.